Okay, sorry guys. This is Lawrence McDaniels again, working on a 2007 Dodge Charger, doing a water pump job on it. What I did was also remove the timing chain cover and the harmonic balancer using this tool. Took the belt off. This is the new pump. It's timing chain driven. So what I actually did was I took the tensioner out. My hydraulic tensioner goes right on the side of the head, just above the alternator. See it? Here. This is the old timing chain tensioner. This is the new one. When replacing the water pump, you will have to put a new tensioner in it, otherwise you're gonna cause some problems. Okay. So I took the bolt out to the bottom of the tensioner to the right, and then for the other bolt, you're going to have to take this cap off. It's an Allen wrench. Take it off. You're going to have another 13 millimeter bolt in here in order to get this guide rail on. Alright, so basically what I did is I took one of the cams off, let the chain all the way down in order to get the pump out. Keep in mind you got two guide rails in there. Let's see if I can get some light on here. That you have to take two bolts out. One is at the bottom down there, and the other one is going to be through this little hole right here on both sides. Alright, okay guys. So finally got the new pump installed. As you can see, it's kind of tight getting my camera in here, so just bear with me. Okay, keep in mind, I don't know if you can see it or not, but down here, let's see, 1 second. See if I can get a screwdriver or something. You got a guide on each side. It's gonna be a guide here. And you're gonna have another guide right here. And you're gonna have to move them because they actually bolts to the water pump. Okay, so one of the bolts, like I said before, you'll be able to get through it through this hole right here after you take the cap off. And the other guy has to screw through this hole right here. On the opposite side, the top bolt of the guy is actually right here. You can access that in between this hole right here. And you're gonna have to move the guide in order to get the pump out. Alright guys, well I hope this helped. All I got to do now is put everything back together. Intake, valve cover, gaskets, timing cover, new seal. I also highly recommend that you change the chain on this thing if you're gonna take it apart and do this much work. But this particular customer didn't have that much money to spend. He was budgeting, and you know the chain has no slack in it either. And he only has like 65,000 miles on the car. Hope this video helped you guys. Once again, Lawrence McDaniels, do it yourself.